In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to integrate Proof with Google Analytics to boost your website's performance and conversion rates. Whether you're new to Proof or just looking for a streamlined setup, this video will give you the exact steps to integrate these two powerful tools. Stick around till the end, as I'll share an exclusive offer that'll help you get started with Proof for free. Now, before jumping into the setup, let's quickly talk about why you'd want to integrate Proof with Google Analytics in the first place. Proof is a fantastic tool for showing social proof to your visitors, creating urgency, and ultimately driving conversions. But integrating it with Google Analytics takes your data tracking to the next level, allowing you to track key performance metrics, such as conversion rates and engagement, in a more precise way. Plus, it lets you see how your social proof notifications are directly impacting your site's performance. First things first, you'll need a Google Analytics account. If you don't have one already, head over to analyticsgoogle.com, sign up, and set up your property. Once that's done, get your tracking code. You'll need this later when we connect it to Proof. Once you've got that, head over to your Proof dashboard. If you're not using Proof yet, don't worry. You can try it out for free through the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Now, in the Proof dashboard, go to the settings page and look for the Integrations tab. You'll find Google Analytics as one of the options. Click it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Proof will ask for your Google Analytics tracking ID. Go back to your Google Analytics account, click on Admin in the bottom left corner, and under Property, click Tracking Info, then Tracking Code. You'll see your tracking ID at the top. Copy that, then head back to Proof and paste it in the field provided. Once you've pasted the ID, make sure to save your changes. This allows Proof to start sending data to Google Analytics, so you can track your visitors' interactions with the social proof notifications in real time. Now, let's talk about how this integration will actually help you. With Proof connected to Google Analytics, you can track important events like notifications being shown to visitors, clicks on those notifications, and conversions driven by the urgency and trust signals Proof creates. You'll be able to create custom reports, analyze user behavior, and really dig into the data that's going to help you optimize your website's performance. Here's a pro tip. If you're running any campaigns with Proof, like showing different messages or social proof for specific user segments, you can set up Google Analytics goals to track how those campaigns are performing. You'll see which messages or offers are driving the most conversions, and you can tweak your approach to maximize results. As you continue using Proof and Google Analytics together, you'll gain even more insights into what's working and where there's room for improvement. It's a simple integration that can massively impact your conversion strategy. Before I wrap up, remember that if you want to try Proof for free and unlock exclusive bonuses, the link is in the description below. So that's it. Integrating Proof with Google Analytics is easy and provides real-time insights that are crucial for understanding how your social proof is influencing your site's visitors. You'll be able to track performance in a much more detailed way, optimize your approach, and increase your conversions. And remember, if you want to take advantage of that exclusive extended free trial for Proof, just click the link below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in boosting your site's performance with Proof and Google Analytics.